What does it feel to live at the center of everything without feeling overwhelmed by it? Today, I'm taking you to Parky's Place. Parky's Place is located at 9th Avenue and 32nd Street. A rare address where prestige, privacy, and long-term value come together. What I like about Parky's Place is its prime central living here in BGC's main avenue. So you can see, no, that's already the 32nd Street. Tapos right lang there at the corner, there's 9th Avenue naman. So talagang nandito siya, strategically located sa center ng BGC. And today, February 2026, I'm going to give you on updates and developments here in BGC and in Parky's Place. As of today, open na yung 7th Avenue. Yan. If you see the place now, it looks familiar kasi before, this used to be Mac Home Depot. And now, these are good news for our BGC investors kasi and also yung mga pupunta sa BGC kasi very accessible na siya. So there is Bitsukoshi Mall, and then pag diniretso yan, that will be going to Ortigas. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm Eddie, your real estate guy, and if you do enjoy this kind of contents, please subscribe and comment na din kayo if you do have any questions. Also, if you'd like to schedule a viewing, please give a call. Diyan naman yung number ko somewhere sa screen. Okay? See you on the next video. Bye, guys.